all calls are recorded for compliance purpose. Okay, all right, Mr. Durkin?
Okay, yeah.
Thank you. Mr. Durkin, are you renting or a homeowner right now?
Don't want to tell you.
Council house?
Sorry?
Are you renting or a homeowner?
I don't want to tell you. What's it got to do with you?
Just to allow me to ask you the right set of questions, Mr. Durkin.
To ask me the right set of questions for what?
Right set of questions.
What questions though?
It's a household question. Let me tell you, we are calling you from today's live part of Secura.
What's that? Who's that?
And we are just trying to find out who is the most popular brand and services in UK. That's it, Mr. Durkin.
Why are you trying to find that out though?
Because we are just trying to launch a new product with a better price, with a better cost in future, not now.
What is the product?
It's a household product, just like a television, your washing machine, this kind of product.
Which one though?
Which one means we are just trying to find out who is the most popular brand and services in UK. That's it.
I've no idea. I mean, what I think, to be honest, you're trying to get information from me so you can ring me up and bug me with these sort of calls, trying to sell me washing machine insurance
We are not trying to sell you anything.
Well,
We are not trying to sell you anything.
What's it for then?
Call Mr. Durkin.
Who do you give the information to?
Only just to ask you a few simple household questions, because we are trying to find out who is the most popular brand and services in UK. That's
Why? Why are you trying to find that out though?
We
You just do it for a hobby, kind of. Let's see what.
A new product. We are launching a new product, not now in future.
What's the product? What's the product?
It's a household product, just like
Yeah, but what?
Television, this kind of product.
Like a washing machine and television, they're quite different. So you say to me, you're launching a new product that's like a washing machine and a TV. Does it do both?
Your answer help us to launch a new product.
I'm not helping you, am I? Why am I helping you? I don't want to help you.
You are using a brand. You are using a new brand. That's why.
Sorry, I'm using.
You are using a brand, right? So that's why you are using a most popular brand in UK.
I don't know. Why do you? I still don't know what you're launching. You're launching a washing machine that you can watch the TV as well.
Yes.
How do you do that? That's amazing. Should be on Dragon's Den.
So can you just give it to me a one fair chance so I can prove you myself?
What's the question again?
Okay, definitely. So just to allow me to ask you the right set of question, are you renting or a homeowner?
But what's that? If you're doing a TV that's a washing machine as well, why do you want to know if I'm a homeowner or not?
So just a homeowner have a different type of question, and the renting personnel have a different type of question. So that's why Mr. Durkin.
If I own a home or I don't own a home, I'd still like a TV that washes my clothes as well. So it's a great idea. It's not. What's it got to do with if I own a home or not? It doesn't make any sense.
Okay, sorry to bother you, Mr. Durkin.
Okay, see you later. Bye.